Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PayPal mobile checkout integration in React Native, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the PayPal mobile checkout integration in your React Native app, begin by opening your project. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to download any necessary packages. Open your terminal and navigate to your React Native project directory. Check your current PayPal integration by looking at the relevant source files. It's essential to have the latest version of the PayPal SDK. Visit the official PayPal developer site to find the latest SDK documentation. Once there, locate the appropriate SDK for React Native. Download the latest version of the SDK. Next, install the SDK in your project using the terminal. Use the command npm install at PayPal/React PayPal.js. Alternatively, if you are using Yarn, execute yarn add at PayPal/React PayPal.js. After installing the SDK, open your project's main component file. Import the PayPal component at the top of your file. Next, create a new functional component for your PayPal button. In this new component, utilize the PayPal button provided by the SDK. Set up the necessary props, including the client ID. Define the onApprove function to handle successful transactions. This function should include logic to update your application state as needed. Now, define the onError function to handle any potential errors during checkout. Make sure to include error logging for troubleshooting purposes. In your main application component, include your new PayPal button component. Test your integration to ensure that the PayPal button renders correctly. Run your React Native app on a simulator or a physical device. Initiate a transaction to verify the entire checkout flow. Monitor for any errors in the console during this test. If everything runs smoothly, your integration is now updated. Consider adding additional features, such as payment history or user notifications. Review the PayPal documentation for more advanced configurations and options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.